Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Issa here. Today we're going to work on digraphs. Our objectives are I can read and tap out words with digraphs. Our language objective is I can read and tap out words with TH, SH, WH, and CH using L-coned boxes. Okay, first word. Ch, p, chip. Ch, n, chin. Point to your chin. Ch, k, chick, the baby chick. Ch, a, t, chat. Ch, a, p, chop. Next up is SH. Sh, a, p, shop, a barber shop for a haircut. Sh, p, ship, the ship was sailing. Sh, n, shin, like a shin pad for soccer. Sh, a, k, sh, wish. Sh, dish. Sh, fish. Next up is WH. Whip, like whipped cream. Am, wham. Whiz, like cheese whiz. Next up is TH. TH makes the sound n, thin, like a wheat thin. D, thud, like a loud noise. Path, path. Great job, boys and girls.